HSBC Advanced Platinum, my honest review and user experience. The HSBC Advanced Platinum card in Mexico offers premium perks, cashback and travel benefits. I tested it to see if it lives up to expectations. Most people think platinum cards are just status symbols, but the surprising truth is that HSBC Advanced Platinum balances rewards and practical benefits. You earn points on daily spending, with higher rates for travel and dining. I found the points system intuitive, and redemption options include travel, gift cards and statement credits. Travel benefits include airport lounge access, travel insurance and concierge services. The mobile app makes it easy to track points, use statements, and manage payments. Customer support is responsive, with bilingual service available. Limitations: international purchases may have fees, and some exclusive perks are limited to partner locations. Annual fees are higher than standard credit cards, but reasonable considering the benefits. Overall, HSBC Advanced Platinum in Mexico offers a strong combination of rewards, travel perks, and easy account management. For those who spend frequently and travel, it's a valuable card.